Here is the whole idea in one clip. Pietro Schirano writes a normal product task, then adds one instruction. Codex should write a new goal for itself, spawn agents in parallel, and give every agent its own dedicated goal. The result is not a bigger prompt. It is a control pattern. The parent agent turns the request into a persistent objective, fans out work that can be done independently, and then waits for the pieces to come back. That is why this post landed. It shows a tiny habit change that turns Codex from a chat box into a project manager. The visible task is concrete. Build a first-person roller coaster point-of-view ride in 3.js. The camera should travel along a looping track with drops, banked turns, and at least one inversion. The prompt asks for track geometry, supports, a skybox, terrain, lighting, sound effects, and a single HTML file. Then comes the line that matters. For this task, write yourself a new goal and spawn agents in parallel, as many as needed to do it better and faster. Split the work into independent pieces, dispatch them concurrently, synthesize the results as they return, and give each agent its own dedicated /goal. OpenAI's Goals Guide explains why this works. A goal gives Codex a completion condition. What should be true, how success should be checked, and what constraints must stay intact. The guide says goals are for tasks where the next step depends on what Codex learns along the way. A normal prompt says, do this next thing. A goal says, keep working until this outcome is true. Pietro's clip adds the practical twist. If the task is clear but the goal is not, make Codex draft the goal first. Then review the finish line, the verification surface, the constraints, and the blocked stop condition before the run gets expensive. Now watch the clip after the prompt is submitted. Codex says it is setting up the work as a concrete goal. It says it will split out parallel research and design pieces, so the final file has a stronger track path, better visuals, and usable sound instead of a bare-bones demo. The sidebar shows subagents appearing. The key phrase is not, I will do everything at once. The key phrase is, I will keep the main path moving locally while agents handle independent track, visual, and audio recommendations. That is the boundary. The main agent owns the final artifact. The child agents investigate pieces of the problem. The official subagents documentation says Codex can spawn specialized agents in parallel and then collect their results in one response. It also says Codex handles orchestration across agents, including spawning new subagents, routing follow-up instructions, waiting for results, and closing agent threads. There are two caveats worth saying out loud. Codex only spawns subagents when you explicitly ask it to. And, because each subagent does its own model and tool work, the workflow consumes more tokens than a comparable single-agent run. So the right lesson is not fan out everything. The lesson is fan out the parts that are independent and evidence-heavy. Here is the reusable version. First, describe the artifact you want. Second, ask Codex to write the main/goal for itself. Third, ask it to identify independent work streams. Fourth, spawn only the agents needed for those streams. Fifth, give each agent its own goal, its own evidence requirement, and a clear return format. Sixth, make the parent synthesize, implement, test, and report the final result. That is very different from saying, make this better. It creates a lightweight operating system around one task. You get exploration without drowning the main thread, and you get a finish line before the agent starts running. There is a repeat risk here. TechWealth has already covered Codex goals, and it has already covered Codex subagents. This video is not another feature announcement. The new source is useful because it stitches the two patterns together. Goals define done. Subagents search the parallel space. The main thread stays accountable for the final artifact. If you only remember one thing, remember this. Let Codex draft the operating contract, but do not skip the human review. Tighten the success condition, the verification surface, the constraints, the token budget, and the stop condition before you let the agent fan out. Try this on a real task, not a toy prompt. Ask Codex to write the goal, ask for a small set of independent agents, and make the parent wait for evidence before it synthesizes. If the draft goal is mushy, fix that before anything runs. If the child agents do not have different jobs, do not spawn them. And if there is no test, screenshot, diff, benchmark, or artifact that proves success, the goal is not ready yet. Links to the source post and OpenAI docs are in the description. If you want a slower tutorial, comment with the stack you want me to run from a clean repo.